Let's try the problem 773 sliding puzzle. Okay. This question is quite typical if you don't know how to use the breadth first search over matrix. Okay, and if you know, then it is quite easy. If you know this, then it is easy for you, and if you don't know this, it could be hard. Okay, so let's see what this question is saying. Okay, so what if I can drag this? Yeah. So I have some puzzles. It would be of 2 into 3 like this. Okay. So in this is a 0. And what I can do with this 0 is I can replace any any number with this. Like I can replace this as 0 and 2. Okay. Or I can do like this. Shift this 5 to here and 0 to here. Means I can shift any number which are adjacent to 0. Okay, since I don't have like this, so it could be only 3 directions. Okay, so means I can replace with this or this or this. Okay, so there are 4 directions. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so it would be -1, 0, and it would be 1, comma 0, and it would be 0, comma 1, and 0, comma -1. Okay, these are the 4 directions. Okay, so how could we do that? What if I just do like, I just keep on, do you know the DFS? Just we are doing like this in a BFS form. Like I will make each and every case of shifting. Okay, like shifting till I find something that I desire. Okay, and what I desire is this type of array. Okay, now suppose this is my array. Okay, and yes, select all the and let's move this to here. Okay, so I have this number and I have to convert this into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0. And how could I do that? What if I just shift like this, make this as 0 or 5 or something like this? Okay, then I'll do like go for this, and something like this. Okay, so what is the best approach? Is just do each and every iteration. Like if I move with this, I can move with this one, and this one. So with this starting point, I have 1, 2, and 3 positions. One where I shift 5 and 0, or second 0 or 1, or 0 or 3. Then, now suppose, where is it? What if now this is 0 and this is 5, this position. So I can replace with only 4. Okay, so there I got a 1 position. Now, this is 0 and this is 4. I can either swap this one, again, one condition, and do like this till I get this array. Okay, now the condition will be how would I choose like at any position this is equal to this. So I make a reference where it would be like 4, 1, 2, 5, 0, 3. This indicate the current condition, like first row, then second row. Okay, and this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. Now, if at any position the strings matches the current condition and the desired condition matches, I will return the number of steps that I took to change this to this. Okay, so let's use and code this. So first of all, what I need is Q for the BFS. Now, I have to search where is my zeros number. For that, for I in range, it will be 2, 4, j in range 3. If bold I comma j equals to 0, what I will do is q dot append a type of array where my first index would be showing me the array, and second array would be my index where I have my zeros and zeroth value. Okay, so first is the nums where this array hold, and the second indicates where is my zeroth value. Okay, now what I'll do is I have need a steps which would be 0 in the starting. Okay, now while q. Now what is the length? Length of q equals to length of q. Okay, and while length of q, what I will do is at the end I will increase my steps. Whenever you use a while loop, be sure to use first of all how it will move. Okay, because sometimes it's like you code this up whole the condition and you will say like while loop is showing again and again time exceed. So better is to terminate how it should terminate. Write this code first. Okay, now I'm writing this -1 as because I will find a condition over here, and if I don't, I just simply return -1. Okay, now what will be my result? It would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. I need to make my queue, my board to this. Okay, now I need a visit uh, set so that if at any condition I move to that previous, suppose why I'm using a visit, suppose I am at this condition and when I move to this condition, I have already encountered this over here, which I don't want to move on because it is already moving and it is already on the next stage. So it's better to move this as decline as I don't want this. So if at any condition any string matches with my visit array, I'll just simply continue with this. Okay, now first of all, let's pop this. Okay, so nums, comma, r, comma, c. Where is it? So it would be q 0, and let's pop this. Now, how my string would look like? str is for I in range 2, for j in range 3. str is plus what it would be nums r comma c. Okay, now if this current condition is already in my visit has set, then what I will do is continue. Else what I will do is add the current stage. Okay, this is done. Now I need direction so that I could move like this. So it would be of 4 directions. Okay, it would be 0 comma 1, 0 comma -1, 1 comma 0, and -1 comma 0. These are the 4 directions where I could go. Okay, so now else if str is equals to res, what I want, so I will return text. Okay, now what I'll do is do a for loop for br comma tc in directions. Okay, this one. I need this. So what would be my swapping? would be t comma r d comma c comma d. So with these index, I want to swap it, but it could be possible that these index represent here. So if I is less than 0 or j is less than 0 or I is greater than equals to 2 or j is greater than equals to 3. It's like continue. Okay. Now I need to minus minus 1 also because this is while loop. Okay. Now what I want to do is swap. So nums I comma j nums r comma c equals to nums r comma c comma nums I comma j. I swap this. And now I want to add in the queue dot append nums comma where is my zeroth index? Where is my zeroth value? It is on here because I swapped this. So it would be I comma j. Now with this I want to swap it again because I want my array to be reverted. Because suppose I swap to this, now 1 is here, 0 is there. But I want to swap with these two conditions, so I just move him back. Okay. Now, sometimes this won't work as it always return none, so it's better to use a temp array in Python for I in range 2. Okay, for I in uh, next temp dot append I. Okay, cool. With this, I have to simply wow stuff is going on, and let's try to run this. Okay, given two arguments. Okay. I need to make this in an array. Yeah. Slicing. Nums I should not be list. Wait a minute.